KM91. Take this cover off. I know whoever had it did not take good care of it. Look at that filter. Alright, so we're going to take those two off. Alright, so I took those two screws out there, one right there, and there's one in the back right here. That should release this right here. Yeah, just look at that. Alright, so I'm getting ready to change the ignition coil on the KM91 or Stihl Weedeater. Alright, it has 3 screws. You got one here, and then one underneath at the bottom right here in the middle. That's going to allow you to remove this cover and be able to get this bottom screw right here. Alright, so go ahead and take this out the plug, unplug the wire right here. Just 2 screws, don't forget the washer. Then you got one more right here. Try not to lose your washer. Sometimes it doesn't want to act right. Alright, real easy process. New one versus the old one. And they say you always want to slide your business card underneath there so you can set it. Make sure that flywheel turns, so we're good to go. Alright, then you're going to go ahead and put this back on. It's a pretty easy process. All you want to do is go ahead and put this back together. Line everything up. Bam. They have 3 hole one. two, and like I said, there's a bottom hose right there.